Hey there! Are you already studying Spanish on a student visa here in Spain? Thinking of renewing your visa one more time with a language course? Well, recently the rules have changed a bit, and in this video we are going to walk you step by step through what's new and how to renew your visa. Number 1. How many times can you renew your visa? With the new law that came into effect this year, you can only renew your visa with a language course once, which means a maximum of 2 visas based on language studies. But there is one exception. If you are now already on your second visa, but you got your renewal before May 20th, 2025, you can renew your visa one more time with a language course. Number 2. Which documents do you need for the renewal? The first and the most important one is the course completion certificate, or in Spanish, Certificado de Aprovechamiento. This document proves that you successfully finished your previous course, and you can get it from your current school. And here is what's new. Now you will also need a DELE or SIELE certificate, or the proof that you have registered for the DELE exam. The exam level must match the level of the course that you have finished in your school. And number 3, other documents required for the renewal. Here there is nothing new. You will need a bank statement showing that you have sufficient funds for every month of your stay, which is 600 euros for every month. Valid Spanish health insurance with full medical coverage, copies of your passport and DELE, then you will need a completed visa application form, and tax payment receipt. You will find the complete list of the documents required for the renewal right on our website, plus the links to the forms and the tax payment details. When should you apply for the renewal? You can apply up to 2 months before your visa expires or within 90 days after. Our tip: don't wait. Apply as early as possible so that you are not stuck waiting for the new documents. At Freeda, we are here to help. We will guide you through the entire visa renewal process, from paperwork to exam preparation. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more updates, and if you're already studying with us or just thinking about it, let us make your visa renewal process smooth, stress-free, and easy. See you soon y nos vemos en clase.